Hello, I'm Therese Tarlinton, an entrepreneur who built a $10 million global manufacturing business creating products for Jeep, Sesame Street, and United Colors of Benetton. I scaled that business by harnessing the power of partnerships, a strategy that I now share with companies ranging from startups to billion-dollar enterprises. All my insider tips are packed in my triple gold medal winning book, Swap Marketing Without Money. It's a bestseller and in 2022 won Book of the Year. My ideal clients are brands hosting events for their business customers, resellers, members, or franchises. I've worked with billion-dollar brands CSR, TV giant Endemol Shine, and shows The Block and Selling Houses Australia. I have spoken to a range of audiences in an array of environments, from business groups to SFG Finance Aggregator and the Kitchen Bathroom Design Institute. My key topics are marketing without money and amplify with AI. For team events, I dive into the collab growth hack, asking who's got the tools, the tech, or the talent you need. Audiences will walk away knowing how to leverage their business assets for powerful collaborations, identify growth-driving partnerships, and amplify their message. But most importantly, they leave with a basket full of ideas and an impatience to execute them. Thank you for considering me as a speaker for your next event. I cannot wait to step in alongside you and bring the marketing without money edge to you and your audience.